Hello traders, Gary Wagner here, just after 12 noon in Honolulu, 6 o'clock in New York on Monday, 9th day of October 2023, and this is a special report of the gold forecast. This is a special report of the gold forecast. As you know, typically we monitor the markets on Sunday in Australia as well as Monday here, but do not record a video report. However, because we sent out a trade alert last night, I wanted to do a quick show to explain what our thought processes were, what we sent out, and where we currently are. Over the weekend, the militant group Hamas launched a surprise attack against Israel, launching over 2,000 bombs with hundreds dead, resulting in a declaration of war by the Prime Minister of Israel. This is a 30-minute chart representing the close on Friday. It did gap higher from Friday's close, which occurred at approximately $1,847. As it opened in Australia, it gapped higher to the tune of about $1,860. This is throughout the day. We sent out a trade alert 1 hour prior to the open in New York. At that point, gold was trading at $1,861. However, at 9 o'clock, when gold opens up, which is this candlestick here, you can see that gold opened at $1,858 and change. That is our entry price, $1,858. We put a stop at $1,839. We are recording this insert at 6:50. Gold futures are currently trading at $1,875.40. We will look at the charts to find an appropriate price point to trail our stop up to and send out a trade alert to that effect within the next 48 hours. If you recall from last week's show, we were looking at the possibility that the hard sell-off in gold would come to some sort of a conclusion and do that rather quick. If we look at this candle here on Monday, September the 25th, it was the first of 9 consecutive red candles, all with lower lows, lower highs, and lower closes. Once we hit this bottom, this would have been Thursday of last week. We talked about that completed a sequential 9, which is a Tom DeMark market timing indicator, as well as a candlestick pattern called an 8 to 10 new price low. So traders, we entered the weekend under the assumption that we needed to pay close attention to the open in Australia on Sunday to give us a clear indication that a key reversal was in fact taking place. We didn't expect a war to break out over the weekend. The move that occurred on Friday was due to the jobs report, but we were ready to act, and act we did, sending out a trade alert that got us in at roughly $1,858, with the market now trading at $1,874. Tomorrow, as well as throughout the entire week, we will discuss this trade in much more detail. We'll talk about our upside targets and possible exit strategies, as well as where we believe that stop should initially be raised to. This has been Gary Wagner, wishing you as always good trading. We will talk to you tomorrow for the next daily update and review. Bye-bye.